the Breed Business Fulfillment app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start using the app right away. So once you install the app, you can see the icon of the Breed Business Fulfillment under the apps option. So just click on that and it will take you to the main dashboard page. So after a few seconds, it will validate your install and redirect you to the dashboard. Dashboard is very simple and pretty straightforward to use. First of all, you'll see you're already watching this video, right? You can close it down, and in the dashboard area, you can see your store performance. Total charge is once you start selling the products, you can see the total amount that you have earned from the product and your total profit. Profit is calculated once you subtract the supplier payment from the total charge. Another important part is do not change product type, SKU number, and vendor name in the product description because this may result in delayed, incorrect fulfillment. We need to have exact product type, vendor name, and SKU number to process orders successfully. In a nutshell, we need to have the right information to send you product for fulfillment and shipping. All right, so first of all, you need to go to choose product option and start adding the products that you like. All right, so let us just check the choose product option and how you can add product easily and quickly to your Shopify store. Based on your internet connection, it will take some time. After that, you can see the beautiful product catalog here, and you can use to add the product in multiple ways. For example, if you want to add the specific product, you can click on preview to check the product image clearly. After that, you can also edit the description, title, and the price that you want to charge from your customer. Okay, after that, you can click on it. You can click on add to my store and it will immediately add the product to your store, or you can simply drag this pointer from here to here and it will automatically add the product to your store. Same way, you can add multiple product, but make sure that you add the second product only once it complete the processing of the first one. After that, you can choose from different kind of category. For example, first one is Bluetooth speaker. This way you can decide which specific product type you want in your store. Currently, the Breed Business offers 21 type of product like speakers, mugs, car seat cover, circle charm. All these are the pet theme products and very high quality. Same way, you can again click on preview, check the product. If you like it, then you can click on edit and add, change the price to whatever you want and click on add. All right, it's that easy. So once you're done with the product in a specific category, you can go back and choose from something else. For example, let's try car seat covers. Currently, we offer 3 specific product type as a made in USA product. That means these products are created and shipped from US. All right, not the car seat cover, Bluetooth speaker, mugs, and jewelry like circle charms, rings, etc. They're all made in US with the faster shipping. Okay, if you like, you can also add the product breed wise. For example, you can search for a specific pet breed. Let's say we want a dog, Labrador. So suppose you want to create a Shopify store with only Labrador dog related product, then you can do that too. You can create a specific Shopify store for one pet breed because there are millions of people that owns a specific pet breed, or you can create a store with a mix of breeds like cat, dogs, and the specific breeds. You can also create a Shopify store based on specific product like a store for car seat cover only because they're like 300 or 400 different designs in car seat cover alone. You can create a Shopify store for jewelry or MP3, or Bluetooth speakers, etc. Or you can simply add as much as you like. So here's the Labrador collection. We have sneakers, we have beddings, we have mobile wallet cover, we have slip-ons, we have different watches, flip-flops. They are all Labrador targeted. Okay, so in multiple ways you can create your store. So once you added the product and you start promoting it, you can simply go back to the dashboard by clicking on the home button. In the dashboard, you will see the statistics. That means once you get the sale, let's check that. All right, here we are. So once you get the sale for a specific The Breed Business product, you would be able to see it under the pending option. Pending means you have got the sale and you have got the money from your customer. Now you need to send these orders to processing. For that, you can choose the specific order, or you can select all, or you can choose a specific order. You can click on the order for the details. All right. For example, this is high top canvas shoes. Same way, you can choose a specific order like this one, and you can upgrade it to the express line. That means we offer express shipping option, $10 extra. So once you click on the upgrade to express line, it will immediately add $10 to your total. However, now this product will be shipped by DHL or UPS, and it will be a faster shipping. This is an optional step. If you don't want express shipping, you can leave it as it is, and it will be shipped by e-packet. So once you're happy with everything, you can choose all product or a specific product and click on confirm payment. Then after that, you will see the order total. You can click on pay with PayPal. It will open the window. You can use your credit card, debit card, or other options by clicking on pay with debit card, or you can directly pay with your PayPal account. After that, once you completed the payment, your order will automatically be sent to the production filter, that is production section. That means now your order is in the production, and it will take 5 to 7 days for order to ship. So this is right now in the production. And once the order is shipped, it will automatically be moved to shipped option with a valid tracking number, and an email with the tracking number is also sent to your customer automatically. So this completes an order. Once you have a tracking number, order is completed. In case there's any issue, you can always click on support, or you can go back to the dashboard. You can contact us through the blog also. By the way, this is the blog post. Here you can see all the latest updates regarding app. You can follow this specific blog and learn to promote these products using tested and proven Facebook strategies. All right. These posts will keep on updated with the new one, with the fresh content, so you can always follow it. And if you click on choose product option, you can simply add more product you want to. Here we go. You would also be able to see the small chat box here. Right now it's not visible for some reason, but you will see a small envelope icon in green color on the corner of the screen right beside the product type. You can click on that and you can contact us directly using the chat box also. Okay, so this is all in the video. This is all you need to know. If you want to understand different things like supplier price, etc., then you can click on support, and you will be redirected to our blog where you can see all the prices of product as well as the contact options. So this is all in the Breed Business installation and support video. For any question, you can always email us at vip@thebreedbusiness.com. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Bye-bye.